Phantom's massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording we have managed to break above resistance at the 0.4985, flipping that key area of resistance back into support. And at the time of this recording we are now attempting to see a break above the 20-day MA on the 1-hour chart and a break above resistance at the 0.5319. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakout target areas and also share out an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the Phantom chart, and starting the video here on the 45-minute chart to share the Elliot wave structure that is playing out. You can see that on the 5th of July we saw that massive breakdown move, and after we bottomed out in that breakdown move we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, giving us the high for this Elliot wave count 1. And afterwards we saw a bit of a breakdown move in this Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area which we fully maximized, and I believe that we bottomed out in that Elliot wave count 2 and started our aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.5348, and that is an area that I had given you in my previous videos using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.5304. And after we topped in that Elliot wave count 3 we saw a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 4 into the minimum target areas for this fourth wave highlighted on the charts, and I now believe that we have now bottomed out in this Elliot wave count 4, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive move in this Elliot wave count 5, and the minimum target areas for that Elliot wave count 5 can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum target area for the fifth wave at the fib level 1.6 the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.587. So in the next coming hours I have my breakout target areas at the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.587, and the moment we manage to fully maximize that target area and we continue to see that bullish momentum, then I will be expecting even higher prices where we can easily see another push to the upside to the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.6709. So those are my breakout target areas here on the Phantom chart for the next coming hours. And for that to also play out, we need to also see a break above significant key areas of resistances. And getting back to the 1-hour chart, we first need to see a break above resistance at the 0.5319. And the moment we manage to break above that with a successful retest, then we can continue expecting higher prices back above the 0.57 and the 0.6 as our next target areas. So that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.